Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best Sharp microwave drawers in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying Sharp microwave drawers. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Sharp SMD2470R 24-inch microwave drawer. Handles a good amount of power at 1000 watts. High interior drawer. Fits in a 30-inch base cabinet. Retractable control panel lays flat on front until in use. Unit works well and has a flat front. Control panel faces up for ease of operation. A super sleek front and hidden controls distinguish this model from others made by Sharp. If you use your microwave for a kitchen clock, this model won't be your best choice, as the clock is hidden when the panel is closed. At number 2. Sharp SMD2470S 24-inch microwave drawer. This 1670 watt microwave heats quickly despite its compact design. Features a hidden LCD control panel and several modes for warming a variety of foods. A streamlined drawer microwave that can be opened with a handle or with the control panel. A few customers received defective models or models that failed after a few years. At number 1. Sharp microwave drawer oven, 30 inches. Features an interior light. 1.2 cubic foot interior. Compact control panel can be hidden away easily. LED interior lights. Reheat sensor does a good job of getting food to the right temperature. Hidden front and a wider frame to fit into your cabinet. Doesn't fit completely flush against the cabinet. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.